So our first sum that we've got today is 17 take away 9. Now we're partitioning 17 to tens and ones. Rather than use a jotting and do a 10 like a line, we're going to use the numbers. So we've got 7 ones and 1 10. 9 is greater than 7, so we have to borrow this 10. Now looking at this, I can take away 7 and I'll get just the 10. So I'll just have the 10 left. Now, if we take away 2 more, we get 8. Because 2 add 7 equals 9. When we take away the 9 from the 17, we can take away the 7 first because we've made the 10. Then we're taking away the other 2. 17 take away 9 equals 8. Now it makes a lot more sense when we look at larger numbers. So we've got 31 take away 16 here. So we've got 1, 1 and 3 tens. Now we can't take away the ones first because 6 is greater than 1. So I'm going to take away a 10. Add 10 onto here. So then we've got the number 11. We've got 11 ones there. Now we can take away the 6. How many do we have left over from 11? 6 add 5 equals 11. So we've got 5 ones left over. Now we've still got to take away a 10. So we had 2 tens, taking it away, 1 10 left. 1 10 and 5 ones equals 15. So then we've got 54 take away 26. Partition 54, it's tens and ones, so we've got 4 ones and 5 tens. Can't take away 6 ones from 4, so we need to borrow a 10. So we've got 4 tens and now we've got 14 ones over here. Now we can take away the 6. 6, we've taken away 6 from 14. We're going to have 8 left over. So we've got 8 ones. Now we've still got to take away the 10s now. So taking away 2 10s from this 4. 4 take away 2 is 2. We've got 2 10s, 8 ones, 28. And we're going to show you one more time looking at this sum. So we have 75 take away 37. So we're going to partition 75, so we've got 5 ones and 7 tens. We can't take away the 7 ones from the 5 ones, so we've got to borrow a 10, so we've got 6 tens left, and I'm going to move this onto there, so we've got 15 ones. Now I can take away the 7. So I'll take away the 7. So 15 take away 7 leaves us with 8. So we've taken away the ones, now we've got to take away the 10s, taking away 3 10s, 6 10s, take away 3 10s, it's 3 10s, 3 10s, 8 ones is 38.